sugar, spice, and everything nice. These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect little girl. But Professor Utonium accidentally added an extra ingredient to the concoction, Chemical X. Thus, the Powerpuff Girls were born! Using their ultra superpowers, Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil!
Long ago in a distant land, I, Aku, the shape-shifting master of darkness, unleashed an unspeakable evil. But a foolish samurai warrior wielding a magic sword stepped forth to oppose me. Before the final blow was struck, I tore open a portal in time and flung him into the future, where my evil is law. Now the fool seeks to return to the past and undo the future that is Aku.
Gotta do that, back to the past, samurai jack.
Watch out!
Gotta do that, back to the past, samurai jack.
Jack, 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 Jack.
Gotta do that, back to the past, samurai jack.
Watch out!
Gotta do that, back to the past, samurai jack.
Jack, 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 Jack.
Gotta do that,
Jack, 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 Jack. Watch out!
gotta do that,
Jack, Jack, Jack.
samurai jack.
Jack, watch out! Jack.
You take the moon and you take the sun.
You take everything that seems like fun. You stir it all up and then you're done.
Rattle, 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 rattle.
So come on in, feel free to do some looking. Stay a while, 'cause something goes cooking. Come on in, feel free to do some looking. Stay a while, 'cause something goes cooking. Yeah!
Flapjack! Hey, Flapjack! Come with me, we'll go and see a place called Candid Island!
Who needs Candid Island? It's safer at the docks.
But there ain't no streams of sody pops go trickling down the rocks.
It's dangerous and risky.
But adventurous and free.
Adventure, that's the life for me.
There's lollipop trees and a lemonade sea.
Doesn't sound very good to me.
The misadventures of
Punchtime!
Picture time, come on, grab your friends, we've got to very distant lands. Take the dog and then we'll win the book of the never-ending adventure.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Are the crystal gems? We'll always save the day. And if you think we can, we'll always find a way. That's why the people of this world believe in garnets, amethyst, and pearl, and Stephen.
We'll be there. A wink and a smile and a great old time. You will be there. Wherever we are, there's some fun to be found. We'll be there when you turn that corner. We jump out the bush with a big beard on and a smile. We'll be there.
warriors for hire are here. It's the name and career. Forces and siblings who quest. Which is what they do best. They have special tools for which they are fools. These guys lose their mind when they collect to find the mighty magic swords.
Mighty Magiswords.
Presenting my greatest invention, the flintlock.
Featuring good old Charlie Brown. Peanuts by Schultz.
Okay, KO, you fight till the end. You are my best friend. Let's be heroes. Okay, KO, let's start the show.
Who's gonna help when the danger overwhelms and the mysteries are piled high? Who's gonna